What's up people, Varun here. So today we have with us Lenovo Ideapad S340. This is a 14-inch device powered by Ryzen 3500U processor. So yeah, let's unbox this quickly, find out how the laptop is, and then let's review it together. All right, let's open this box up. Okay, so we are greeted with the paperwork. Let me pull this out. Is anything else in the box? Yes, charger. So this is your power cord. And this is your normal barrel connector, your barrel charger. Anything else in the box? Nope, empty. Let me put this aside. Let's remove this. Okay, let me remove the plastic quickly. All right. Yep. For a 14-inch device, this is a bit heavy. Yeah. But the fit and finish on top is pretty amazing actually for a budget laptop. Let me open this. Yep. So yeah, this is Lenovo Ideapad S340. So in the box you get the laptop, the power cord and the charger, and some paperwork. So this is the paperwork. That's it. So this was your unboxing experience for Lenovo Ideapad S340. Now let's jump to the review. Alright people, another day, another exciting budget laptop for you guys. We are reviewing the Lenovo Ideapad S340 today. The model number is 14API. It comes with Ryzen 5 3500U processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and a combination of 1TB HDD and a 256GB SSD of internal storage. I bought this for 43,000 rupees and I opted for the Abyss blue color as it looks much more premium than the platinum grey offering. To start off the review, let me touch base on the display first, as this is its only weak point. It's a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. You won't notice anything if you're looking dead on, but as soon as you move your head or display around, you will notice where Lenovo has cut corners. The viewing angles on S340 are not great at all. The colors are washed out and the contrast is poor. You cannot do any color intensive work on this, but for content consumption and normal home office work, this display will serve its purpose. If we talk numbers, the display covers 51% of the sRGB color gamut and the nits count is 250. The screen to body ratio is nothing to write home about as well. The bezels surrounding the display panel are slim on top and the sides. The bottom bezel is unusually large and sticks out like a sore thumb. Overall, at this price point, you get a very basic display which is okay for regular use. Now, let's point our focus to build quality and design. When I unboxed this laptop, I couldn't believe that I was holding a budget laptop. Although the body is made of plastic, Lenovo has done something unique here. They have weaved carbon fiber threads into the chassis, which makes it much more stronger than the normal plastic body chassis you experience on other budget laptops. Also, the laptop has a rubberized finish on the base, which makes fingerprints harder to stick to the surface. On the lid, S340 has an aluminum finish which looks nice. Overall, the build quality is quite sturdy. The 180-degree hinge especially is really strong and doesn't flex. The bottom of the S340 is clean with the air intake grills and rubberized pads. The heat vents are located at the bottom chassis behind the keyboard and they are quite large, which keeps this laptop cool. Lenovo calls S340 ultra thin and light, but for a 14-inch device, this weighs 1.6 kgs, which is quite heavy. One unique feature of this laptop is the privacy shutter camera button. Slide it open when you are ready to be on the camera and push it back into place when you are done. Super nifty if you're worried about your privacy. If we talk about the performance, Ryzen 3500U with 8GB of RAM and Vega 8 graphics doesn't disappoint either. For regular use, this laptop is amazing. You can run multiple programs and S340 will handle everything with ease. No thermal throttling here, and this laptop keeps it cool under heavy load. The 256GB high performance SSD also helps in fast read and write speeds. Now comes the gaming. Radeon Vega 8 graphics with 2GB of video RAM helps immensely in gaming as well. I tried Fortnite and it worked like a charm without any lag or stutter on medium settings. You can play AAA titles on low settings if you wish. This is not a gaming laptop, but for casual gamers who are into not so demanding titles, this is the perfect machine. Battery life is decent as well. During my testing, this laptop lasted for around 6 to 7 hours while doing normal stuff like browsing and streaming music with brightness at 80%. It supports fast charging as well and will charge up to 50% in less than an hour. Now let's talk about the keyboard. I loved typing on this keyboard. The keyboard has a springy and responsive feel with enough travel to satisfy everyone. Below the keyboard you will see the trackpad and it's really good as well. It's an okay size and supports Windows gestures. As all budget laptop goes, it requires some pressure to register a click, but this isn't a surprise at this price point. The number of ports on offer here makes up for things like the lackluster display. On the right, you will find two USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports and an SD card reader. On the left, you have the charge port, an HDMI connector, a USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 1 port, and an audio jack. The USB-C does not support charging sadly. In terms of upgradability, there is good news as well. You have the option of upgrading both RAM and the storage. RAM can be upgraded to up to 24GB. Lastly, speakers. Speakers are super loud. Not loud like the MacBooks, but when I compare with the other budget laptops, they are much better. They are located on the bottom sides and produce good output which can fill a room easily. Alright, time for final thoughts. This is one of the best budget 14-inch laptops in the market right now. For under 45k, you cannot get a better deal. The look and feel is premium, performance is snappy, battery life is quite good, and the keyboard is amazing. For casual gamers, this can be a perfect choice as well, thanks to Vega 8 graphics. The biggest letdown, like a lot of budget laptops, is the display, which is very basic. But if you can look past that, then it can be a really good laptop for your regular home office lifestyle. As of now, this laptop is out of stock on Flipkart and is selling for about 50k on Amazon India. Better to wait it out as festive sales are just around the corner and the same laptop will see a reduction in price to the tune of around 10 to 20%. If you can get this one below 45k, it will be a steal of a deal. Go for it, you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comment section below and fire all your questions regarding Lenovo Ideapad s340. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.